Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking bronzers and the products, complexion products that will make your skin bronzy, glowy, but in a very natural way. Not exactly a soft tanning for the face specifically, but I have a couple for the body, self tanners, which also quite smooth and just give a very natural bronzy effect, tan effect, but nothing too much. Now we are channeling the natural glow, natural tan. Now I will start, I'm gonna start with my favorite body moisturizers and like self tanner moisturizers, because I don't use the self tanning products which are, you know, like very complicated to apply and can leave streaks on your body, like because I'm white, I'm pale, so for me it's very dangerous situation when it comes to self tanning. Now my all-time favorite, and I've been using it for years, it's already done, I will put it into my empties. This is the Dove Body Love, it's called moisturizer. Now this is very mild, but on my skin tone, after 2 applications I have already very nice smooth and just natural tan. Of course I'm not gonna look like I spent 1 week in Maldives, but for the city it's very nice. Of course, if you want to look tan and you're wearing the swimsuit or some very open clothing, maybe you will need something more bronzy. But the trick is to always, even if you're pale, always to choose the body lotion that has medium to dark, not light to medium. Light to medium, it will take you forever to achieve the result. And yeah, this one and another new one that I actually discovered this year, it's full. I only used it once, and with 1 application I was pretty bronzy, more bronzy than after this one. Also I chose the medium to dark. It's by French, I think it's a French brand, Revuele, something like this. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. It's a drugstore product, but in my opinion it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I don't know, to me I don't see the difference. I tested many others and high-end products, but to me it's very easy and it gives unbelievable results. So for me at the moment it's one of my most like favorite products. But the all-time favorite that I use for the mainly for the face on maybe décolleté, it's by Clarins Soft Tan in Gel formula. But that's classical, you know, that's I think been on the market forever and I always have it. I also use it in winter because the gel, it's very easy to apply, and I use it sometimes for my face, but very rarely. I normally never use sun tanning, self tanning products on my face because, you know, I use retinol, I use glycolic acids. For me it's a bit no need, like it will be off in a day. Yeah, but sometimes when I have an occasion, I need to go somewhere or have a party, I will, in the previous day, I will use this. One of the best, actually. It's actually between these 3, it's pretty much the best for me. But the recent discovery, I think this one you can apply every day. I have a small format, it's by Calistar, it's Face Magic Drops. I will suggest you to buy the small format because you literally have to put like maybe 3-4 drops in your moisturizer or in your serum. You can apply it also on your naked face, but I normally apply it with the serum or with the face essence, like kind of this something between toner and serum. And I can apply it 2 days in a row and achieve pretty tan complexion. Seriously, it's very handy, and the small format will last you forever. Now this is like one of the best discoveries of the, like, for the past month. They have a big bottle, but I honestly think if you have an occasion, like in Sephora, they sell it in a small format, and I think it's plenty, absolutely. Now, another very good product. Wow, that's just, I've been looking for something that will not substitute, but I wanted to try something else, but something similar to, I'm gonna post it here, by Terry CC Serum in dark. I think it's called Sun Glow or Sunset something. It's very good one. I had it before. I normally will apply it before I apply my foundation, or I simply apply it as on its own and have some powder and concealer, and that's it. For summer, it's one of the best kind of a glowy self-tanning product, but it's like a makeup. You wash it off in the evening like a makeup. So I bought this here by Glow Recipe, their niacinamide glow huge drops. It has actually skincare ingredients here. It has watermelon glow, niacinamide drops serum, it's called Sun Glow, this one. This one I apply very often on my whole face. Sometimes I use it only as of a bronzer. It's very liquid. I'm gonna show you how it looks. And yeah, it's actually light. When you apply it all over the face, it gives beautiful glow to your face, bronzy glow, but very light. If you have light skin, it's perfection for you. You see, well, you cannot even see. The thing is, my arms, they are a little bit like darker because I have a warm undertone, and my arms are always darker, even in winter. My face is lighter. So on the face, it looks very nice, very nice. And it also has skin properties, so it's like applying almost a serum. It has niacinamide, and for summer, niacinamide is perfect because it, it's very good for complexion. If you have even like imperfections or some pimples, it actually is good for this condition of the skin. Now this one is perfect. And a little bit on the makeup side, one of the best face complexion enhancers, bronze enhancers, is this by Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's one of the best. I've been using it for years. This one can be used as I almost say, okay, getting into the pan, can be used as your whole face base before cut foundation. It can be used, I normally use it as a bronzer, have it right now on my face. Sometimes I use it, yes, as a bronzer, as of just on its own, and then I powder my face, and that's that. The texture is cream into powder, and it's for summer. It's just one of the best kind of formulas because it's not too greasy. Like if you have combination oily skin, it's perfect for you. But it doesn't look matte anyway. Perfect product. Another by Chanel that I love so much is Beiges, their Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. I also use it as of bronzer, and very often just all over my face, just to bring up the like sun-kissed look. It's almost done with, so this is completely butchered. And for it also, the packaging, yeah, but I'm almost done with this, so it's okay. I need a new one. It's one of the best. I have the very light. Also, it doesn't, okay, one disclaimer, this one, if you have a very light skin, it's kind of a universal tan color, maybe it will be a little bit, can be a little bit orangey for you, but to me, I have a warm undertone, so for me it works well. But for summer, if you get a little bit tan and you have light complexion, it's still gonna work very nice. Now this one is perfect as well. It's my all-rounder, especially actually I like it in winter. It's very light and it gives right away this glow, like the bronzy glow, but in a very light way. Loving it. It's one of my favorite bronzers and overall complexion enhancer. Now, and the two, this is actually mass market. The Body Shop, it's called Bronze Shimmer Waves. This I use all the time. I started using it last year and I've been using it all year round. Loving this one so much. I also use it for my as of my eye makeup. This gives such a beautiful glow, but like really bronzy glow and shimmer and like everything. It can be also be your highlight, it can be anything, and you can choose which stripe, like which you like the most for your eyes. For instance, very often I use this too, this one, pink golden and the dark, just to enhance the corners of my eyes, and then I just swirl all over and go all over the face literally. Fantastic. Actually, I get a lot of compliments every time I use it as of a makeup, like all over my face. It gives like a very punchy, glowy look. Absolutely fantastic. And two blushes that give very bronzy look. One is blush, it's called Blush by Essence in Bespoke number 20. This one, really bronzy blush. On the light skin it can be used as a bronzer. I use it as a blush and I mean really nice. It's very bronzy. On the skin it looks so pretty. Like really you've been, and if you hit like your nose and your cheeks, it's like you spent all day in the sun. It's such a natural glow. Here I smudged it here a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Very pretty one of the best ones. And I really like this stick by Chanel. It's also Le Beige number 23. This one is shimmery, this like peachy, kind of a golden peach. So pretty, gives this beautiful color to your cheeks. Very easy to apply. It's very silky and it goes on your face so beautifully. Look at this glow. It can be also be served as a highlight. I have it right now on my cheeks as well. I also like to do, I don't have a mirror, I also like to do it on the bridge of my nose. Sometimes I do even on my forehead, just for this kind of glow and the color. It's like very nice. You can put everywhere. You can put it also on your brow bone and on the lips. I mean, this is multitasking product. Now, these are my favorites for the summer. Of course, I'm not going to be traveling with all of them, but what I know for sure, I'm going to take like as of this three for sure. Like these are my gonna be go-to. The drops, this and this. And for the body, I'm probably gonna use this all summer since I don't tan. Now, thank you very much for watching. This video is the last one before vacation. I'm going for 2 months to Riga, my hometown, and I will see you in September. Have a good summer and well, take care. Bye bye.